alive! It's alive! It's alive! It's alive!
Today we'll be showing you how to winterize your in-ground swimming pool. Mix the chlorine in a bucket, making sure it's dissolved. Remove the skimmer baskets. Attach the hose adapter to the backwash valve and attach the backwash hose. Pump the handle 5 to 7 times and open the backwash valve. Open the air release valve. When winterizing, please be sure to remove the pressure gauge from the filter. Remove the winterizing plugs from the pump, one on the front and one on the side. Remove the winterizing plug from the Nature 2 Fusion or chlorinator if equipped. Be sure to remove any unused chlorine tablets from the chlorinator. Remove and clean the basket from the pump. All items removed from the pool system should be placed in this basket for winter storage. If equipped with the Nature 2 Fusion, please remove the unused cartridge. Remove the backwash hose and adapter. Insert the threaded O-ring plug into the overflow. Install the gizmos into the skimmer. Be sure to thread the gizmo into the hole farthest from the pool. Remove the dive board from the dive base. And be sure to remove the dive base. Install the bolt covers over the dive base bolts. Lift up the escutcheon plates and unloosen the bolts, tightening the handrail and ladder. Tap down the bolt connected to the wedge underneath to loosen up the handrail and ladder and remove. Shock the pool. Be sure that no unmixed granules go into the pool. If needed, dip the bucket into the water and remix. Repeat however many times is needed until all the chlorine is dissolved and into the pool water. Install the winter cover. Typically, installation happens from placing the winter cover at the shallow end of the pool, pulling the cover out across the pool. Weigh the winter cover down accordingly with water tubes. Be sure to fill the tubes halfway to prevent breaking in the winter from ice. Thank you for watching this video provided to you by Crystal Pools Incorporated.